Go over to your Chrome browser, type into the search studio.youtube.com. If it's the first time you're searching for it, it's going to bring out this interface. Don't click on Get the app. Go over down here where it says Continue to Studio. This is the interface you will see on the web browser for your YouTube Studio. You will hover around here. This icon here is where your contents are living. And because what I want to trim is the live stream we just concluded with Tech Informants, I'll move over to live. I'm going to click on this as the second one here. If you look at your left hand here, I'm going to click on this one to open the editor interface. This is the interface you use to trim your live stream. You want to click on trim and cut. So one thing you want to do to make your trimming faster is to watch the video and know which parts you want to take out. You can either use this part here that looks like your editor also, this blue head here, to drag and move around. But because you're using your phone, you might not know which part of the video you want to edit. So I encourage you to watch the video first and know pockets of time you want to edit. For this video, I've identified times I want to cut out, so I will click on here, new cut, and I will just impute the time I want to cut out. So just know that the first one is the hours if you're reading from your left to the right. The second one is the minutes. The third one is the seconds. And the fourth one is the frames. Check the box here. I've identified the first one I wanted to cut. It has cut it. And I will come back and add the second one. I have pockets of time I want to cut out. Once you've identified parts of your video you want to take out, so me, I have 4 cuts here, and I'm going to click on preview and preview my video. Once you like everything the way it is, you hit on save. It says save changes. It might take a few hours for your changes to apply. During that time, viewers will see the current version of the video. You won't be able to make other changes to your video. The original version of your video will be stored so you can undo your edits. While you wait, you can leave the site. So you click on save. It's saving my edits, so you can't make any other changes. Now it has finished cutting the video the way I want it. If you want to revert back to your original video and you don't want the cuts anymore, you click on this 3 dots and say revert to original, and it reverts it back to original, but I will not be clicking on that. Aside from trimming, you can also blur parts of your video, add audio to your video, add end screen info cards, and if now was monetized, you will see the option to add ad breaks to your video. Like this video for more people to see it, and do well to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and do have a good one.